Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best drones on AliExpress in 2026, especially for aerial photography, GPS flying, long range, fishing, or professional video, then this video is for you. Today, I've picked the top 5 best drones on AliExpress 2026 based on camera quality, flight features, stability, range, and overall value for money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. New D12 GPS Drone, 8K camera, 3-axis gimbal. The new D12 GPS drone is a professional-style drone featuring an 8K HD camera, 3-axis gimbal, GPS positioning, and obstacle avoidance. It also comes with a touchscreen controller, which is rare in this price range. This drone is designed for users who want stable cinematic footage without paying flagship prices. The 3-axis gimbal helps reduce shake, and GPS functions like return to home make it safer for beginners and hobbyists. Pros: 8K HD camera support, 3-axis mechanical gimbal, GPS positioning with auto return, obstacle avoidance system, brushless motors for better durability. The D12 GPS drone is a solid choice if you want professional-looking shots and strong flight stability at a reasonable AliExpress price. Number 2. Wing 6 GPS Fishing Drone, 8K camera, strong wind resistance. The Wing 6 GPS drone is built for heavy-duty use, including fishing, lifting, and long-range aerial photography. It features an 8K camera, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, and up to 800 meters control range. This drone stands out because of its strong wind resistance and payload capability, making it ideal for fishing or outdoor adventures. The one-key return and GPS tracking help keep the drone safe even in challenging conditions. Pros: designed for fishing and lifting tasks, strong wind resistance, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, 8K camera support, one-key return, and GPS tracking. If you need a powerful fishing drone or a drone for extreme outdoor use, the Wing 6 is a great option. Number 3. AE60 Ultra GPS Drone, long range and airdrop feature. The AE60 Ultra is a feature-packed drone with an 8K HD camera, 3-axis gimbal, 12 km FPV range, and even an airdrop and fishing function. This drone is built for advanced users who want long-distance flying and multiple smart features. The obstacle avoidance system helps during complex flights, while GPS ensures stable hovering and accurate returns. Pros: long 12 km transmission range, 3-axis gimbal for smooth video, airdrop and fishing support, GPS smart flight modes, obstacle avoidance system. The AE60 Ultra is perfect for users who want long-range FPV flying with advanced features at a competitive price. Number 4. Refurbished Potensic Atom, lightweight 4K drone. The Refurbished Potensic Atom is a compact and lightweight drone featuring a 4K camera, 3-axis gimbal, 6 km GPS transmission range. It uses brushless motors and includes smart flight modes like QuickShot. This drone offers excellent stability and image quality for its size. Since it's refurbished, you get premium performance at a lower cost, making it a smart, budget-friendly option. Pros: true 3-axis gimbal, stable 4K video recording, lightweight and travel-friendly, GPS auto return and smart modes, good value for money. The Refurbished Potensic Atom is ideal for users who want reliable performance and smooth video without spending too much. Number 5. Potensic Atom 2, under 249 grams, 4K HDR, 8K photos, 3-axis gimbal, and up to 10 km transmission range. This drone is perfect for creators who want high-quality footage without registration hassles in many countries. AI features like AI tracking and AI night shot make it excellent for content creation. Pros: under 249 grams lightweight design, 4K HDR video and 8K photos, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, vertical shooting for social media, AI tracking, and night shot features. The Potensic Atom 2 is the best choice for travel vloggers and content creators who want top-tier quality in a compact drone. So that's the top 5 best drones on AliExpress 2026. Whether you're into professional filmmaking, fishing, long-range flying, or lightweight travel drones, there's an option here for everyone. Check the links in the description for latest prices and deals, and let me know in the comments which drone you like the most. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.